I thought I'd leave you guys with a little tip. So, the goal is to make an image look like a photo. And in real life, there is never straight lines. When I look at this image, I see the chimney, and the chimney is very straight on the edges. I do have a displacement, so there is some depth, but not a lot. So what I usually do is in post is I'll grab the edge, Control J, and then I'll apply a wave to it. And then you usually have to play with it. And I wish that Photoshop would save these settings, but it's usually the scale. Set the scale really small. That's probably too much. Let's go with 5. I think that looks good. Collapse it and go to the next. Control J, filter, distort, wave. And then I go around and I do it to all the sharp edges. And I think it makes a huge difference. What's doing down here? In my experience, if you don't Control J, then Photoshop will crash. Let me do one more. There we go. I'm going to save this. And let's try to do it without a Control J. So let's zoom into something. Let's do just this edge here. And filter, distort, wave, and see what happens. Okay, it didn't crash. Maybe Adobe fixed that. But just a little tip, and I hope that helps.